President of Tanzania John Magufuli died on 17th March 2021 around 6 p.m. at the age of 61, Vice President Samia Suluhu Hassan said, after a more than 2-week absence from public life that led to speculation about his health. President Magufuli was suffering from heart illness and was hospitalized at Mzena Hospital in Dar es Salaam, where he was getting treatment. Who was late President Pombe Magufuli? John Pombe Magufuli was born at Chato in 1959. He started his education at Chato Primary School from 1967 to 1974 and went on to the Katoke Seminary in Biharamulo for his secondary education from 1975 to 1977 before relocating to Lake Secondary School in 1977 and graduating in 1978. He joined Mkwawa High School for his advanced level studies in 1979 and graduated in 1981. That same year, he joined Mkwawa College of Education for a diploma in education science, majoring in chemistry, mathematics, and education. Magufuli earned his Bachelor of Science in Education degree majoring in chemistry and mathematics as teaching subjects from the University of Dar es Salaam in 1988. He also earned his master's and doctorate degrees in chemistry from the University of Dar es Salaam in 1994 and 2009, respectively. In late 2019, he was awarded a honorary doctorate by the University of Dodoma for improving the economy of the country. Before his political career, Magufuli served as a teacher of chemistry and mathematics at the Sengerema Secondary School between 1982 and 1983. He was elected as a member of parliament representing Chato District. He was appointed Deputy Minister for Works in first terms as MP. After Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete was requested to take office, he moved John Magufuli to the post of Minister of Lands and Human Settlement on 4th January 2006. Subsequently, he served as a Minister of Livestock and Fisheries from 2008 to 2010 and again as a Minister of Works, Transport and Communication from 2010 to 2015. Magufuli was nominated as CCM's presidential candidate on 12th July 2015 for 2015 elections and was declared the winner by the National Electoral Commission on 29th October 2015. He received 58% of the vote. He was sworn in on 5th November 2015. President John Pombe Magufuli was re-elected in 2020. President Pombe Magufuli has imposed different measures such as barring unnecessary foreign travel by the government officials, using cheaper vehicles, dropping its sponsorship of World AIDS Day in favor of purchasing AIDS medication, discouraging lavish events and parties by public institutions, etc. Magufuli has reduced his own salary from $15,000 to $4,000 per month. Magufuli was married to Janet Magufuli and had 5 children.